Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Pinterest failed to create conversation on your Pinterest app. All you have to do, you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here in this window, then you just scroll down, then you click here on apps, then it's going to take you to apps window, and you just go down here to looking for Pinterest app here in this window. You just go down, then you click here on Pinterest, and you go to app info here, you click here on for stop, then you click here on OK, and you just go down, then you click here on storage, then you come to storage window, you just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data, and you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do to fix that problem you have on your Pinterest app. Just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. I wish you all get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.